Hello, this is Greg with iSmart Payments. I wanted to show you our new free Clover Mini POS system. It comes directly from Clover, and you will enjoy next morning funding, no contracts. And I'd like to just point out a couple of things here. You can monitor all your transactions. You can see a cash log. You can monitor employees, inventory, reporting, and so much more. As you can see, there's many different apps, and if you don't find one here on the home screen or any of the other screens that you would like, you can go to the App Store and download. There's over 400 apps currently on the app market, and they're always adding new ones. You can see the ratings on the apps and everything. The Clover POS system comes directly from Clover. iSmart Payments sets up your account. You can have your new system approved, usually within 15 minutes. Give me a call or text, 801-205-1955. This is Greg with iSmart Payments. Looking forward to getting a call or a text from you so you can get your new system and get approved within 15 minutes today.